Assalamualaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So welcome back to my mathematics class 4, chapter 8, cards and wheels, part 3. So students, in earlier video I told you that I will explain you how you have to use a compass, how you have to hold it, right, to draw a circle with a given measurement. So in this video today I am going to explain you uses of a compass, how you have to use compass or rounder to draw a circle. Okay, so let's see students.
So in today's class students, I am going to explain you how you have to draw a circle using this compass or the rounder and the scale. For this students, you require these two instruments to draw a circle, right? This round one students should be a tighten, ये tight होना चाहिए. If it is loose, ये जो होता है ना loose होगा, so it is not, we can't draw a proper circle because जैसे loose होगा ना तो वो मूवमेंट कर देगा, तो इससे हमारा सर्कल मूव हो जाएगा. इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉपर सर्कल, राइट? So students, for that, if your question is that question number A, you have to draw a circle of a 2 centimeter radius. उसकी रेडियस कितनी है students? 2 centimeter. हमें 2 centimeter radius का सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. Now students, what to do? तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? So before the first of all, we have to arrange this one length. इसकी length 2 centimeter होनी चाहिए यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, right? So that measurement you have to took on the scale. आपको कहाँ पे लेना है? स्केल के ऊपर 2 centimeter करना है. तो कैसे करोगे? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस पॉइंट, ये वाला जो है ना, उसको स्केल के 0 के ऊपर सेट करना है लाइक दिस. और आपको ये वाला है ना, ये सेकंड है, उसको मूव करना है जब तक स्केल के ऊपर 2 नहीं लिखा है. 2 दिख रहा है, 2. सो 2 के ऊपर ये पेंसिल को सेट करना है. क्लियर? सो हियर this one you have to set on the 0 and this point you have to set on the 2 as we have to draw a circle of a 2 centimeter radius, right? So what you have to do? You have to take a measurement like this. Everyone have to set it like this. I'm showing you, just a minute. See students, here 0, 1 and 2 we have to draw of a 2 centimeter. So first students, you have to set this one at a 0 like this. Can you see? And this pencil point you have to set at the number 2. If it is C like this, so we have to arrange it like this. अब हमें अरेंज करना है, ये 0 पे रहेगा, only movement you have to showing over here. So we have to set it on the number 2 like this. Can you see students? So this is I have arranged 2 centimeter. I have take a 2 centimeter radius. Now I am going to explain you how you have to draw it. Okay, so understood? While you are drawing the circle students, you have to hold only this portion, not this one. Why? Because if you are holding this one, might be it would be pressed by you. यानी यहाँ पे से अगर आप होल्ड करोगे तो ये प्रेस हो जाएगा और शायद ये जो आपका मेजरमेंट है ना वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, right? So for that students, what you have to hold? You have to hold rounder from the top, like from here, right? So you have to first set at any point. Students, when I keep this one which is called your center, ये जो मैंने अभी पुट किया ना यहाँ पे, ये हमारा हो जाएगा center. This is called the center of the circle. Here I have put a point mark. Okay, so whenever you are putting this one is your center of the circle, and then you have to keep it, hold it like this, and just you have to draw it like this. Can you see students? Like this way you have to draw circle. Can you see students? दिख रहा है सबको? A circle which is perfect. See, not anywhere any joints is unmatched. कोई भी ऐसा मैच नहीं, ऐसा नहीं दिख रहा है कि कहीं ऊपर चला गया या नीचे चला गया. A perfect circle दिख रहा है students. Okay, जैसे मैंने बोला था, if you are holding like this, अगर आप ऐसे hold करके draw करोगे, so what happens? See, I am showing you. अगर सपोज आपने ऐसे hold किया है, and you are drawing और बीच में कहीं पे आपको press हो गया. So see, can you see? दिख रहा है ना? So this should happen. So that's why I'm telling you that whenever you are drawing a circle, you have to hold it or from here. Okay? Everyone understood how you have to draw a circle? So whenever you are drawing a circle, so here students we have draw a circle of a 2 centimeter. So you have to draw a radius of this circle. From center point to circle, any point you have to draw a line like this. And over there you have to mention that this circle is of a 2 centimeter. Radius of this circle is 2 centimeters. So whenever you are drawing it, you have to mention this. That what was the length of radius. Right? So every time you have to mention it. So like this way students you have to draw a circle. I hope everyone got it how you have to draw a circle. Yes or no? Okay students, on page number 88. Here students on page number 88 and 89. On the both page students, here the instruction given that you have how you have to use a compass. How you have to hold it, how you have to use it and how you have to draw a circle. As I told you, you can't hold it like this. You have to hold it from the top. Here, right, from the top you have to hold it so that you are able, see, if you are holding like this, so your circle will be like this. It's not look a perfect circle. Some anywhere your measurement will be missed or changed, right? So that's why you are not drawing a perfect circle that all the bow ends are joined together, right? Here you can see this circle is going in this way. They are not end at match. दोनों के end match नहीं होंगे, right? So students, this one I already told you how you have to use a compass, how you have to hold it, and how you have to draw a circle, right? So that's why now I will move towards the next page, which is your page number 90. Now students, on the page number 90, here it is given that we have to find the center. So here the friends Sadiq and the Samina. So Sadiq used the compass to draw a circle, while Samina used her bangle. She traced a bangle to draw a circle, while Sadiq used a compass or a rounder to draw a circle, and they are deciding it, and Sadiq drawn perfectly circle, and Sadiq having center of the circle also, right? While you also know that if you are drawing a circle using a compass or a rounder, you are able to find out the center of the circle. But what about Samina? Samina didn't use any instrument to draw a circle. She just used a bangle tracing it, right? And she is not able to trace the circle. Now, but Samina said, don't worry. See how I find it. So students, I'm also going to explain you that if you are drawing by, if you are finding tracing any round or circle thing, how you will find out the circle? Okay students, so if you are drawing a circle using by tracing any bangle or any tracing anything which is came in a round. So students, here also I have drawn this one. Can you see? I have a circle. Now I'm going to explain you, if you are tracing in and you want to find out the center of that circle. So how you are going to find out it? Okay. So what you have to do students, here you can see a perfect round shape I'm having. Yes or no? Okay, now you have to fold it equally. ये दोनों ends equal में हो, ऐसे आपको one fold करना है, like this. Can you see? Both the ends should be equal, right? And perfectly you have to hold it like this. You have to fold it. And students, again you have to make one more fold. आपको एक और fold बनाना है. How? So this end and this end will be matched together. दोनों सेम होने चाहिए. So like this you have to fold it. See, you have to match these two ends together like this. Okay. So I have make how many folds? I have made 2 folds. After making 2 folds students, this is called the अब ये आ गया 1/4 portion. This is called the center of the point. तो यहाँ पे आप ऐसे टिक मार्क लगा सकते हो like this. So students, this is called our center of the circle. So here we have center of the circle. This point is called as a center of the circle. So we have made 1 and a 2 fold. to get the center of the circle. Now everyone understood how we have to find out the center of the circle? Yes or no, students? So I hope everyone understood how you can draw if you are drawing a circle by tracing any things which is came in a round shape, and how you will find out it. So everyone got it? Okay, now students, let's see the further topic in your textbook, what it is given. So Samina also used the same trick to find out the circle, center of the circle. So see here, Samina is also showing that you have to make it half by folding it. Then that half also again you have to fold it like this, make it half, and here we get the center of the circle. Clear everyone? Understood? So here Samina also get its circle, center of the circle. Now students, also on the page number 91 till here, and here students there is some different designs given that you can also draw using compass or a rounder. इसको यूज करके आप ऐसे दूसरी चीज भी ड्राइंग भी बना सकते हो. Now students, on next page, page number 92, here is the balancing act, that the things, dish or things which is in a round, so they are trying to balance it, right? So from the round things they are putting their finger one by one at a different places, and they are trying to balance it in a one finger. सो दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं, मंकी वो लोग ये डिश से जो राउंड शेप में उसको बैलेंस करने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं, right? So while he put at here, so he is not able to balance it, it's fallen down, वो गिर गया क्योंकि उसने एंड के पास ही, ये राउंड शेप के एंड से पकड़ा था इसीलिए. एंड while he found the center of the plate, प्लेट में सेंटर से उसने जब उसको होल्ड किया, so he is able to फाउंड द प्लेट, मैंने इसको बैलेंस कर पाया जब उसने सेंटर से होल्ड किया तब, राइट? एंड जब वो उसने अच्छे से किया, जहाँ पे वो बैलेंस कर सका, वो पॉइंट को हम सेंटर बोलेंगे, वो प्लेट्स का. यस और नो? And now students, here the spin top. Have you ever seen spin top? Boys are playing mostly of a spin top, है ना? वो लोग ऐसे thread से उसको round top करते हैं, and they are throwing it, which is moving at the one point. It is moving around and round like this. Yes or no? Okay. So now students, some students they are making their tops different. Can you see Zakir had made like this? Appu has. This is the point where you can move your top. Balancing top, right? Naina and Guddo. So whose top will not spin at all? यानी किसका टॉप है जो स्पिन ही नहीं होगा? स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हमने मंकी वाला देखा था, है ना? If you are moving a top from the end near to the end of that circle, so it is not able to spin at all. Like you can see Zakir's. Can you see this one, this point? यहाँ पे उसने जो स्टिक लगाई है, ये जो स्टिक है ना जाकिर की, which is end of the top, तो यहाँ पे बैलेंसिंग करना हार्ड होगा. Likewise, Naina also put near to the end of the plate or end of the circle. Can you see? So these two are not able at all to spin well. So here Zakir are and Naina, these two are not able to spin at all. Why? Because their stick which is near to the end of the circle, that's why they can't balance it properly. Okay? And whose top will spin a little, थोड़ा सा इसमें से, अब ये दोनों का तो not at all it spin, but whose top will spin a little, थोड़ा सा भी move करेगा, so that is Guddo. Right? Guddo का थोड़ा center से nearer है, right? If you will find out the center, it would be like this here, from here. So Guddo's stick is nearer to the center. That's why Guddo's spin will spin a little, right? So here answer is Guddo. And whose top will spin the best? Best mean किसका spin है? किसका है जो best, सबसे best way में spin होगा? So that is Appu, right? It is exact. You can see it is exact at the center, right? So whose top will spin at the best? So Appu. And in whose top is the stick nearest to the center? इन दोनों तीन सब में से किसका सेंटर के पास है? अभी मैंने बोला ना, who is Guddo का, है ना? Guddo's having nearest to the circle, and Appu's having the almost, we can say this, the center. Okay students, you can also make your own top at home. Yes or no? आप लोग भी घर पे अपना ऐसे खुद से एक टॉप बना सकते हो. So students, still here our chapter number 8 carts and wheels we have complete it. यहाँ पे आपका chapter number 8 carts and wheels complete हो गया है. I have explained you all the topics regarding your textbook.
Okay students, so here I have complete your chapter number 8 cards and wheels. Inshallah in my next video I will start new lesson. Okay, so I hope you understood whole lesson chapter number 8. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. See you soon in my next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone.